Hi guys, it's install day. Come on, let me show you what's happening. So here we are in the room. It's all been freshly painted. It's looking absolutely gorgeous. But this is the last time I'm allowed to see it. So I'm gonna leave you guys here and I'm gonna go hide somewhere, I suppose.
So here's your finished mood board.
I love it.
So we'll have the main feature, the headboard, which will be in that frame.
That frame, I love that. I remember that.
It looks amazing.
Does it?
Don't! We're out of order!
These kind of different textures, bit of pattern as well, just to lift it.
I was gonna say, yeah, this is really nice.
So that'll be across the bed runner and the cushions.
Really gorgeous.
And then these little features in the room, so all the black accent, and it'll just be really high contrast and really hotel vibes. So the guys are just behind me now, unpacking the van. We're gonna take everything upstairs and we're gonna try and not let Rylan see. So we've got loads to do, so let's crack on.
I'm not looking, I'm just waiting a coffee. Who was a coffee?
So it's the final stage now. We're just going to dress the room, add in all of the artwork and the cushions, and then we're ready to show Rylan the finished reveal. So the room is all ready, all the final touches are done. Rylan's been waiting downstairs very patiently for the past few hours, so we're going to go grab him. Let's go. All ready.
Right.
Yeah? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
I'm so nervous.
Right, got to close your eyes when it gets to the top.
Oh my god! Is this my house? Oh my god, it looks amazing! Oh no, I want to swap rooms.
You've got to move in here now.
Oh my god, this looks so gorgeous. The chair.
How nice is the chair? So it like
The
ties in
lamp.
with the headboard and the bench, all the black accent.
This is actually, I'm not going to swear. I'm not going to swear. This is actually beautiful.
Oh,
Just everything, but it just feels like the board. Like
Yeah.
it feels like I'm in the
sound-
mood board. And do you know what? I love the tray as well. Like
yeah.
it's just little things like that
Little finishing touches.
that just make it feel really boutique.
Hi guys, it's Rylan, and if you like what you see, you can shop my bedroom collection right now at rowanhomes.com.